I got your question here. You want to know how to calculate the Z standardized test statistics for the difference between proportions. So what you got to do, you ask specifically on StatCrunch. So what you need to do is, it's covered up here behind this, but you click on Stats, go down to Proportion Stats, to sample with summary. And then this comes up, to sample proportion with summary. So I have Stats, click on Stats menu up here, Proportion Stats, to sample with summary. And you just enter the information here. 34 out of 71 had some characteristic, 36 out of 61 had a characteristic in the second sample. You're wanting to do a hypothesis test, where null hypothesis was not equal to. You identified that up earlier in the problem. Over here, I can't see it, but you click on Compute, and it'll give you this Z-score, which is what you're asking for. You'll round it to 2 decimal. Hope this helps.